And tonight with a COVID-19 update, as medical experts say they're paying close attention to a new subvariant of the coronavirus. The BA.275 variant may be able to spread rapidly and get around immunity and previous infection, according to scientists. However, it's still unclear whether it can cause more serious disease than other Omicron variants. Right now, the BA.4 and BA.5 variants are the predominant strains. Meanwhile, some major cities are reinstating COVID-19 protocols like mask mandates. I spoke with local health officials about this latest variant and what we can expect here in Ohio. The summer season is in full swing, which means more people are traveling and getting out of the house. But we're also seeing a rise in COVID-19 cases. Health officials in Clark County are reporting 33 new cases a day so far in July, which is close to numbers they were seeing during the Omicron surge at the beginning of 2022. However, they believe the number of new cases could actually be a lot higher.
These numbers, though, are underreported. I think a lot of people are using at-home test kits, not reporting them. So I actually think that 33 per day that we're seeing right now is actually low. I think it's a lot higher than that.
Part of the increase in cases can be linked to the BA.5 variant, which is becoming the dominant strain here in the Miami Valley. This variant is highly transmissible and is reinfecting people who already had COVID-19.
It does look like early data shows that BA.5 can trump that previous infection-acquired immunity if you got sick during, the months of February or March with the Omicron subvariant.
So far, local health leaders are not seeing an uptick in severe cases or hospitalizations with this variant, but they are seeing symptoms that could be confused with allergies.
The majority of the new cases are having a lot more of that sore throat, coughing and sneezing, very similar to what we see with allergy symptoms or with the common cold. So it becomes even harder to differentiate this than previous iterations.
Because of how easily this variant is spreading, local health leaders are urging people to take precautions now. They recommend getting your COVID-19 test kits and finishing your vaccine series. And they say don't be afraid to mask up, especially if you have other health conditions.
If you're going to be traveling, if you're in an airport, if you're in an airplane, I would absolutely recommend that if you fall into those categories, you should be doing so. And for most people right now, because of the increased amount of disease, we likely would benefit from being able to wear it in those environments.
And if you do take an at-home test and it comes back positive, health officials recommend calling your local health department to report it. That will help give health departments a more accurate number of cases in the community.